I wonder what's in the package. Oh, it's a brake caliper. Oh, it even comes with brakes. Are they good brakes? Can't tell. Ooh, I've been waiting on this for actually not long. Hold on. Let's hope that don't say my address. Okay, it doesn't. Oh, in the pedal. In the pedal. You know what that means, guys?
Nope.
And I think all I'm gonna need is hold on. I don't know. I might actually have the no, I might need to get bolts or something. But here's the brake caliper. Yeah, I need bolts. No? Yes? I don't know. Well, when I start locking it up, we'll see if I need bolts or not. Yeah, here's the brake. I've been waiting on that for a while. So that count the parts and paper towels. Welcome back. I ain't putting the new brakes on yet, but look at there. Oh, she got rear brakes. She got the rear brakes. And a new minty air filter. About to go get some DOT4 brake fluid. And I think a new spark plug while I'm at it from Napa. Because apparently AutoZone don't have it. But yeah, I'll kick her up in a minute. Y'all notice anything different? I know I showed y'all air filter and I got the brake caliper, but it's on there now. I got fresh and minty new brake pads for it. I just haven't put it on yet. So, let's get this rolling. Brakes work. These are sticky because I was fucking with brake fluid. Alright, this is all new, different feeling than my KO. Brakes work though. See? Haha, brakes work great. $250 gang. Holy shit. Dude, that is just ridiculous. That's no clutch. That's just straight up power band. Yeah, I cannot keep this bike. I gotta sell it. This bike is gonna kill me. Look at that. That's just, it's just, I'm lost for words. I'm like super lost for words, and these are super sticky. Like, oh my god! Like, it just pops right up. Okay, everything really, why is it always getting kicked over here? Everything really is different. It is ridiculous. Like, that is just stupid. This bike kind of scares me, not gonna lie. Like, I should not have this. I should not have this. I have a stunt bike that's not this crazy, guys. Like, this is more crazier than my stunt bike. That's only second gear too. Like, I thought I was gonna buy this to get better at wheelies on the dirt bike, but guys, I don't know about that now. I think I want a 125 two smoker. So if anybody, like, this is fucking ridiculous. Fucking butt. I'm lost for words. I should not have this, like, at all. When was that? It was 1975. Yang, yang, yang. Man, this is a nice bike though. It's like stupid. Stupid. See, now I really need a lot to go to. Clutch it up! I'm clutching it up and it's scaring me. He wants to ride outwards. The sun is like really bad. Oh shit. I almost lost my kickstand, my kickstart, guys. Oh, that feels not appropriate. Good, if you see this on YouTube, you give this motherfucker a like. You got that? You see this on YouTube, you give that motherfucker a like. Oh yeah, like it for 2 strokes. Yeah, I want a 125 because this is not practical for my area. Oh shit. It's been a while since I've been out here.